So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to draw on Google Docs. So if you were to go ahead, open up Google Docs here, go to the top left, press Insert, then go down to where it says Drawing, then press on New. Once you guys are here, I want you guys to go to this option right here, to where there's this go ahead and select line. Then go down to where it says Scribble right here. Now what this is going to be doing is actually causing you to scribble and draw sort of a line that you want. So if I wanted to draw the word just like this, I can go ahead and just write the word draw. You can also go ahead up here and change the color of this as well as the line thickness. So you can kind of go ahead and do what you want this way. So if you wanted to write, a couple R's like that, if you wanted to write an O, you can also go ahead and sort of change what it looks like right here. So you can go ahead and do what you got to do. If this is your masterpiece, go ahead and press save and close. And then you can insert your drawing that way. So that's how you guys can draw on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching. I hope this helps.